Do you know a good spark plug can ignite the mixture of air and fuel? Very, very well. Meanwhile, a bad spark plug can reduce the efficiency and it can cause misfire. Another thing I want you to know is a faulty spark plug will make your engine work harder. Oh yes, but in turn, it can affect other components in the vehicle. It's important for you to adjust the gap of your spark plug carefully in order for it to match the manufacturer's specifications, which is 0.8 to 0.9 millimeters. Because if the gap is too wide or is too narrow, it can affect the performance of your vehicle. Lastly, it's important you replace your spark plug at every 30,000 kilometers. Make your motor no go fail you like a pass my neighbor generator.